welcome to my house. Today we are here talking about prepping or not prepping. That is the question. So if you have a very busy week ahead, it would be an awesome idea to pick up some of these healthy choice recipes and healthy choice microwave meals so that you have something to fall back on, because there are certainly times where life happens and you can't get to the store. So I'm going to go through these very quickly. You can see that I have the great value variety packs here, and I'm going to just kind of tell you what to add to these if you're a male. But most of these are systematized for a female macro portioned meal, okay? So the higher quality version would be the Smart Made brand. And this is the chicken with spinach and fettuccine. 6 grams of fat, 19 carbohydrates, so it's actually on the low end, and 22 grams of protein, which is completely adequate for a female. All of the ingredients you can pronounce and you can read without having any trouble on these Smart Maids. They are less than $4 at Walmart, and they're less than $4 at Target. The Healthy Choice meal. These Healthy Choice steamers are really great with their macro structure. They're 2 for $5 at both Target and Walmart. So a great budgeted meal if you're on a lower cost meal plan, or you're just a student in college, or you're really trying to cut corners with your finances. The Healthy Choice would be a great meal if you don't prep. Okay, you get a lot of bang for your buck on this one. So the average fat on most of the meals is 5 to 7 grams. The average carbohydrate on most of these meals is about 35 to 50 grams of carbs, which is perfect for a male. And the proteins range anywhere from about 16 grams to 25 grams. So if you get a meal that's a little bit low in protein, you can always add just a little bit of sliced deli meat or some lean meat or another protein source that you have at home. If it's a little low in fat, and the same thing with the Smart Maids, you can always add avocado to something that would be palatable with avocado, kind of like the Fiesta chicken meal here. The Fiesta chicken and rice meal is actually Great Value's lean meal option. So the differences between the Great Choice or the Great Value is obviously the price and what's in it, okay? So these two have a lot less fillers, and they're a little healthier, or I would say quote unquote cleaner. So if that's a big issue for you and you don't like a lot of preservatives, you might want to stick with the Smart Made or the Healthy Choice. In addition to that, I found these amazing Sweet Earth burritos that are 20 grams of protein, 10 grams of fat, and 30 grams of carbohydrates. An absolutely perfect meal for somebody who's more along the lines of an athlete. This would be a great lunch for someone. They've kept me very full for about 4 to 5 hours. These are awesome. They're a little more expensive, but again, this is a higher quality burrito, under $3.50. This would count as a full meal. Pretty awesome. And then we have the Great Value roasted turkey breast. Sorry about that. And this value meal is 6 grams of fat, 25 carbs, 20 protein, so just about a perfect snack meal for somebody. You guys have 3 meals and a snack. Most of you are eating about 4 or even 5 meals, so this would work really well. Again, most of these have 5 to 7 grams of fiber. Here's the downfall on some of these Great Value options. They're a little bit lower in fiber typically. So this one's only got 3 grams of fiber, where the Chicken Alfredo Lean has 2 grams of fiber. So you can see, if you're a macro tracker and you're watching your fiber, you might have to add a cup of vegetables to one of these meals. But they have several options. Again, we've got the lean chicken Parmesan. My boyfriend really loves this one. It's 7 grams of fat, 45 carbs, 21 protein. And I did add just a little bit of extra chicken breast to his meal to make it about 40 grams. So there's that. And again, the fiber on this one is 6 grams. So every once in a while, you will find a perfect fit. I would look at the contents when you get these. Look for something that's about 5 to 7 grams of fiber, in addition to being about the perfect macro structure for yourself. So there are other options to prepping, and they're as easy as a microwaved meal, and all of these are under $5 a piece. So you could easily budget to have, 5 of your meals a week come from the freezer. And that's it. Hopefully you guys will stay tuned for the next video.